Namaste and welcome to Triathlon. It's me, Rupesh Singh Bohara. In this video also, I'm going to share another idea for cross-section. Here, especially, I will focus on the cross-section of triangle and cross-section of rectangle whose area is equal to that triangle. Here, first of all, we will draw rough sketch like this, and then by the help of this rough sketch, we will do cross-section. Now let's start. Model number 4. Construct a triangle PQR in which PQ is equals to 5.5 centimeter, angle PQR is equals to 75 degree, and angle PRQ is equals to 60 degree. And then construct a rectangle AQBC equal in area to the triangle PQR. Solution: given in triangle PQR, PQ is equals to 5.5 centimeter, angle PQR is equals to 75 degree, and angle PRQ is equals to 60 degree. Construct a triangle PQR is equals to rectangle AQBC. Now let's do rough sketch for this purpose. Here we need to draw. First of all, we need to draw triangle PQR. So here you can make this types of figure for the triangle. In rough sketch you don't need to measure, but shape should be like triangle. Name of triangle is PQR, where angle P is 75 degree and angle R is 60 degree. Do you know sum of angles of triangle PQR is 180 degree, so that angle Q should be 45 degree, because 75 degree plus 60 degree plus 45 degree equals to 180. Length of PQ is given 5.5 centimeter. Angle Q is 45 degree. After this, we will take midpoint of PQ, and from there we will draw a line segment which will be perpendicular to PQ, and it will be one side of that rectangle. Also, we will draw parallel line with PQ which passes through R, and then there will be this steps of rectangle. It is rough sketch. Name of rectangle is AQVC, so that write the name of rectangle in sequence. AQVC. Okay, for this rough sketch you don't need to measure, but simply their shapes should be like triangle and rectangle. Now by the help of this rough sketch, let's do cross section. You may see in the rough sketch PQ is 5.5 centimeter long, so that draw here 5.5 centimeter long line segment. Look at this. It is exactly 5.5 centimeter long line segment PQ, which is 5.5 centimeter long. In vertex P, there is 75 degree. In vertex P, there is angle of 75 degree. So let's draw angle of 75 degree in feet. For that, here in P, you need to take arc, and the same arc you have to keep constant, and then you have to cut this arc from this point, and it will be 60 degree. If you keep that constant and if you cut that arc from this 60 degree, then it will be 120 degree. Again, if you cut arc from 60 degree and same arc from 120 degree, then you will get intersecting point. If you join this intersecting point with this phi, then it becomes 90 degree. Again, if you cut arc from this 90 degree and same arc from 60 degree, then if you join this intersecting point with this P, this becomes 75 degree. Again, in vertex Q, there is angle of 45 degree. So let's draw 45 degree angle in vertex Q. To draw angle of 45 degree in Q, here we need to take arc, and again we have to cut the same arc from this point. It will be 60 degree. There are two ways of drawing 45 degree angle. Either you can draw from 90 degree and 0 degree, or from 60 and 30 degree. Among them, here I'm going to apply one way. Again, if you cut arc from 0 degree and the same arc from 60 degree, then you'll get here angle of 30 degree. And again, if you cut arc from this 30 degree and same arc from 60 degree, then you will get angle of 45 degree. If you join this intersecting point with Q, then you will get angle of 45. You have to produce this until and unless it intersects line drawn from P. Now this intersecting point is, you may see in rough sketch, from P and Q which line are drawn, they intersect at R. Now we need to take midpoint of PQ. For that purpose, let's take arc. To take midpoint of PQ, here we need to take arc a bit less than PQ, upward and downward. And same arc you have to take downward also. And you have to keep this constant, and then from Q also you have to take the same arc downward and upward. Now if you join these both intersecting points, then you will get midpoint of PQ, and which will be perpendicular to PQ. This line is perpendicular to PQ, and this intersecting point is midpoint of PQ. In rough sketch, you may see midpoint of PQ is A, so that write the name of this midpoint is A. And also, in rough sketch, you may see from A, there is one side of rectangle AQBC. That means there is line segment AC from that A, so that from A draw complete line. Now to make RB parallel to PQ, here we need to make this angle and this angle equal, so that they will be alternate angle. Then we will say PQ and RB are parallel. So for that purpose, so to draw a parallel line from R with PQ, here either you need to take a new arc in Q, or you need to measure same arc which is already taken in Q. Do you know there is already arc? Do you know there is already taken this arc? So I have measured this arc and then cut the same arc from R. Now measure the arc which is taken in Q in this compass. Now measure angle PQR in compass and cut the same arc from this point. If you join this intersecting point with this R, then you will get straight line which is parallel with PQ. We have to measure AQ in the compass, and then we have to cut the same arc from its opposite side, because opposite sides of rectangle are equal. You may see in rough sketch, AQ and CB are the opposite sides of rectangle. Now let's join Q and B. Then we will get required rectangle. Here rectangle AQVC is equal with triangle PQR. Here PQ and RB are parallel. Opposite sides of rectangle AQBC are equal. Therefore, area of triangle PQR is equal to area of rectangle AQVC is drawn. Finally, let me describe what we did here. First of all, here we have drawn rough sketch according to question. First of all, triangle PQR is drawn, and then midpoint of PQ is taken, and then parallel line RB with PQ is drawn. After that, rectangle AQVC is drawn. Thank you very much.